In today's video, I'll guide you through the process of creating a marketing plan in Prezi. If you're looking to deliver a dynamic and engaging presentation, Prezi is a fantastic tool to help you captivate your audience with its intuitive design features. First, let's open Prezi and start a new presentation. Prezi offers a unique platform compared to traditional slides, allowing you to create a visually engaging narrative that flows smoothly from one idea to the next. Once you're in, you'll want to choose a clean, strategic template, ideally one that's designed specifically for business planning. The right template will serve as a strong foundation, setting the tone for your presentation while ensuring that it remains professional and easy to follow. Now let's add your main topic. Label it Marketing Plan or use the specific title of your campaign. This serves as the central hub of your presentation, anchoring all the elements around it. This clear, concise label will help maintain focus throughout your presentation. Next, you'll create subtopics to break down the different elements of your plan. For practicality and clarity, consider organizing these under headings such as objectives, target audience, strategies, tactics, and budget. This structure not only makes it easier to communicate your plan effectively, but also helps your audience navigate through the content systematically. To make your presentation more compelling, you'll want to insert charts, icons, and visuals that explain your market research and goals. These elements are crucial because they provide concrete, visual evidence to back up your claims and projections, making your plan more believable and easier to comprehend. In addition to charts and visuals, incorporate images or examples to illustrate your marketing channels and content ideas. These examples help paint a clearer picture of how you'll implement your strategy. Whether you're showcasing social media platforms, advertisement samples, or content ideas, real-world examples give your audience a better grasp of your vision and its application. Be sure to organize the flow of your presentation with zoom paths. These paths function like a roadmap, guiding your viewers seamlessly through each section. By customizing the zoom paths, you create a narrative that is not only informative but also engaging, keeping your audience focused and interested from start to finish. And that's how you create a marketing plan in Prezi. By following these steps, you'll build a presentation that's both visually appealing and strategically sound. Not only will it capture attention, but it will also communicate the key elements of your marketing plan effectively. Good luck and happy presenting.